So I've got this cool paper printing kit.
It contains aluminium plates, a steel plate, copper plate, calico, French terry, and some watercolour paper. It makes an eco-printing sandwich. I'm making up a dirty pot with leftovers from the kitchen, a rusty can, some leaves, some bark from the trees, onion skins, and eucalyptus gum leaves. Off into the garden to collect some botanicals for the project, dandelions, herbs, some bamboo, a hibiscus, some geranium, silk yolk, and some grasses. Soaking the paper in an alum solution, pop down the French terry soaked in iron solution, the botanicals, more paper, and so it goes. Cooking it up for 2 hours, simmering, and then unbundling it and wash the paper, and this is what it's like when it's dry. A beautiful result.